sixth graders, let's review finding mode, median, and mean with a set of data. And I'm going to show you how to do that within a Google slide so that you can do some of the practice sets ahead. So what I did, just like I've asked all of you numeric questions, I also asked questions of our staff. So up to 28 of your teachers and other people at school responded. And so I just took the first 10 for this one right here, where it says the number of letters in the first names of 10 DWCA staff members. So this is the number of letters in 10 different people's names. Okay, so for determining mode, median, and mean, the easiest way to start is by lining up from the smallest to the largest. Okay, so I'm noticing my smallest number is a 4 and another 4. So next number up would be 5. I don't see any 6s, so I'll go to 7. And I've noticed there's quite a few of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay, they're not a perfect line, but they'll do. And then my last numbers in the lineup is the number 8. Okay, so to determine the mode of this, we have to know what number, which piece of data occurs the most. So when I look at this, I see a lot of 8s. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, but wait, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. So the mode is a 7. For the median, the easiest way I like to determine median again over here says the middle, okay? Trying to get to that middle. So the best way I do it is start on the small side and cross 1 off, and then cross 1 from the top, because we're working our way to the middle. So take 1 from the bottom, take 1 from the top. Not to the middle yet, the bottom, the top, the bottom, the top. And now there's only 2. Sometimes if you do bottom, top, there'll only be 1 number. That will be the median. In this case, we'd have to find what's the middle of those 2 numbers, but it's the same number. So again, we know that the median is going to be 7. So the mode and the median are 7 in this particular example. Okay, now let me get those numbers again. So let me erase what we've done, just the purple part. And now we're going to try to determine the mean, or what most people think of average. So over here it says you add them up, add all the numbers first. So I'm going to do just that. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Over here I have 7, 7, 7, and 7. So 7 times 4 is 28. And then over here I have 8, 8, 8, 3 of them, which will get me 24. So I'm going to add these 3 numbers together. So I have 13. I'm doing my best to write it with my mouse pad. Sorry guys, I don't have a stylus or anything. 18 and 24. So we're adding those up together. Plus. So 3 and 8 is 11. 11 and 4 is 15. So 5. Regroup the 1. 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 6. Wait a second, let me make sure I added that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing 15 this time. Let's see. 11, 14. Oh, because I put 8 in here, there should be a 28. I pre-did the math. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we get 65. The second step is that's not going to be our mean yet, though. What we have to do is find then to divide by how many numbers there were in the data set. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have to take the 65 and divide it by 10 because that's the numbers that were in there. So 65 divided by 10 would be the same thing as saying 65, right? We can rewrite it as a fraction or an improper fraction. And that's the same thing as saying 6 and 5/10. So in this case, the mean would be 6 and 5/10. So now we've found 3 different types of average. The mode of these is 7, the median is 7, and the average or the mean of it is 6 and 5/10 or 6 1/2. So hopefully that'll help.